How to move a picture anywhere freely on your Windows document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can move your picture anywhere you want. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is import a picture. So I'll just insert it here. You can drag and drop it too. So I'll just drag and drop it. So I'll just drag and drop a picture here. Let me do that. So I've just dragged and dropped a picture, and as you can see right here, it does not freely move. Now, everywhere it goes, it rearranges the place. So to not make that happen, what you'll need to do is simply head over to layout, make sure that you have selected the picture, head over to layout, and in the layout, you should find an option called wrap text. Tap on wrap text, and here you should see an option that says behind text. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you should notice that now it can go anywhere, wherever you want, and there you can see that the texts do not get rearranged. Now you can place it wherever you want without having to worry about it. And that is how you can move a picture freely in Windows Word document. And that is basically it for guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.